अंधा है तेरा बेटा, हफ्ता वसूलता है, मारामारी करता है।
We're at the global premiere of Bambai Meri Jaan, or Bombay, My Beloved.
I'm just very excited and nervous because it's 4 years of our hard work coming together, and now we're ready for the world to see.
It's a very emotional story of a dysfunctional family, and where you find a very strong conflict between the father and the son.
The father's an honest man, he can't really but provide for his family, and they see Mumbai growing, they see Mumbai getting richer, but that wealth doesn't reach them. So the kids go into like a life of crime, and it really tears the family apart.
We literally strip off the labels of relationship and it becomes a man versus man ideological conflict.
I don't think there's ever been a show that's chronicled the rise of organized crime in Mumbai over this large a span of time. I mean, it's about 4 decades that we're capturing in the first season.
The scale and the canvas is really wide and huge.
It's a genre that I believe transcends all barriers of nationality, language, region.
Amazon Prime and Excel, they are just the best creators we have in India. So for them to come together to tell this epic saga,
It's the greatest feeling that any creator can have, and I'm sure all of us are equally exhilarated.
Finally, we can showcase what we have done. It's great to have an international audience. We're honored.
Welcome to the world premiere of Bambai Meri Jaan.
जब आग लगाई अंधारा, जहन्नुम की आग है, हम सबको जला के राख कर देगी।